Hi everyone, welcome back to Fluento, Everyday English for Real Life. I'm Anna.
And I'm David. Hey, Anna.
Hey David, how are you feeling today?
Honestly, a little tired. I had a very busy week.
Oh no, I understand. I was the same way on Monday. But you know what? The week is almost over.
Yes, and I have so many good things coming up.
Me too, actually. I have been thinking about the weekend all week.
Same. I keep making little plans in my head, like, oh, I'm going to do this. I am going to do that.
Wait, David, stop for a second.
What? Did I say something wrong?
No, you said something perfect. You just said, I am going to do this, I am going to do that.
I did, didn't I?
You were already using future English without even thinking about it.
Oh, wow, you were right. I was talking about the future, naturally.
And that is exactly what we are doing today, everyone. We are going to talk about how to talk about the future in English.
And we are going to make it simple, very simple.
Because talking about the future is something you do every single day. Every day.
You tell a friend your plans. You make a promise. You decide something quickly.
All of that is future English. And by the end of this episode, you will feel very comfortable with it.
So let's start. Anna, tell me, what are your plans for the weekend?
Okay, so this weekend, I am going to visit my sister.
Oh, nice. Where does she live?
She lives about an hour away, and I am going to bring her some homemade soup. She has been sick.
That is so sweet of you.
Thank you. And on Sunday, I am going to clean my apartment, finally.
Finally.
It has been a busy few weeks, David. Don't judge me.
No judgment here. I'm going to do the same. My apartment needs some love too.
So, everyone, did you notice? We are both using the same phrase. I am going to.
I am going to visit my sister. I am going to clean my apartment.
This is called going to, and we use it for plans. Plans that you decided before this moment.
Before this moment, that's the key. The decision is already made.
For example, I thought about visiting my sister 2 days ago. I already decided.
So when you say it now, it's a plan, not a surprise.
Exactly. I am going to visit my sister. That is a plan.
Let me give another example. I've been thinking about joining a gym for a while now.
Oh, really?
Yes, and I finally decided. Next month, I am going to join a gym.
That is a plan. You decided before, so we say, I am going to join a gym.
I am going to get healthy. I am going to feel better.
I love it. And everyone, you can use going to for big plans and small plans.
I am going to call my mom tonight. Small plan.
I am going to learn Spanish next year. Big plan.
Both are fine. Both are plans.
Now, David, let me ask you something. A little practice moment.
Okay, I'm ready.
What are you going to do tonight?
Tonight, I am going to cook dinner at home and then I'm going to watch a movie.
Perfect. 2 plans, 2 going to sentences. Lovely.
Your turn, Anna. What are you going to do after this episode?
After this, I am going to make a cup of tea and I am going to call my sister to check on her.
Beautiful. See, everyone, this is very natural. You can do this.
Try it yourself, right now. Think of one plan for tonight.
Say it out loud. I am going to...
Go ahead, we will wait. Did you say it? Good. That is your first going to sentence.
Okay, Anna. Now I want to talk about something a little different.
Sure, what is it?
Well, imagine this. We're here, recording our episode, and suddenly, my phone rings.
Oh, right in the middle?
Yes, and I look at you and I say, don't worry, I'll turn it off.
Ah, did you notice what David said?
I said, I'll turn it off.
I'll. That is short for I will.
And I did not plan that. I did not think about it before the episode. The phone rang, and I decided right now in this moment.
That is will. We use will when we decide something right now, in this moment.
The decision is new. It just happened.
I'll turn it off. New decision. Right now.
I'll open the window. The room is hot. You decide now.
I'll carry that for you. You see someone struggling. You offer to help. Right now.
So going to is for the plan you had before, and will is for the decision you make right now.
Yes. David, can you show us another example?
Sure. Imagine we're at a cafe. I look at the menu, I think for a moment, and then I say, I'll have the green tea.
You decided at that moment, looking at the menu, so you say, I'll have.
I didn't plan it at home. I just decided.
I'll have the sandwich. I'll try the chocolate cake.
These are all decisions made in the moment, so we use will.
Now, will is also used for something very special, promises.
Promises. Yes, this is my favorite part.
When you promise something to a person, you use will.
I will help you. That is a promise.
I will always be there for you. That is a big promise.
And smaller ones too. I'll send you that document later. That is also a promise.
When you use will for a promise, it shows you are serious. You mean it.
Don't worry, I'll take care of it. Very reassuring.
And will is also used to offer help, to be kind.
You look tired. I'll make you some tea.
You seem lost. I'll help you find the address.
These are offers, small moments of kindness, and we use will for them.
So, going to equals plan from before. Will equals decision now, promise, or offer.
Let's put them together. Imagine your friend texts you. She says, I am moving to a new apartment next week. It is a lot of work.
What do you say back?
Well, you already have plans for the weekend. You are going to visit your sister, but you want to help too.
So you might say, I'm going to visit my sister on Saturday, but I will come and help you on Sunday.
Beautiful. Two different futures. One plan, one offer.
I'm going to visit my sister. That was decided before.
I will come and help you on Sunday. That decision happened just now after reading the text.
This is real-life English. This is how people actually talk.
Now, there is one more thing, and it is very interesting.
What is it?
Okay, imagine you have a doctor's appointment on Thursday. It is in your calendar. It is at 3 p.m. Your friend asks, are you free Thursday afternoon?
And you say,
sorry, I can't. I'm seeing my doctor at 3.
I'm seeing, not I will see, not I am going to see.
That is because it's a fixed plan. It is confirmed. It is in the calendar.
We call this the present continuous for future plans. It sounds like the present, but the meaning is future.
We use this when a plan is very sure, very fixed.
I'm meeting my friend tomorrow at noon. Already arranged.
I'm flying to see my family next Friday. The ticket is bought.
I'm starting my new job on Monday. Very fixed, very real.
For beginner learners, don't worry too much about this one yet.
Just know when something is very, very sure, a meeting, a ticket, and appointment, you can say, I'm doing.
And it sounds very natural. Let's talk about something else that helps a lot. Time expressions.
Yes, these are little words and phrases that tell people when something will happen.
And they make your English so much clearer.
Let's go through them. Tonight.
I am going to watch a film tonight.
Tomorrow.
I will call you tomorrow.
This weekend.
I am going to rest this weekend.
Next week.
I'm meeting my cousin next week.
In a few days.
The package will arrive in a few days.
Soon.
Don't worry, I'll finish it soon.
These little words are so helpful. They give your listener a clear picture.
Without them, sometimes it's hard to know when you mean.
With them, crystal clear.
I am going to start exercising. Okay, when?
I'm going to start exercising next Monday. Now I understand.
Time expressions are your friends. Use them.
Now, I want to do something a little special, something a little deeper.
Oh, I love this part.
Let's talk about the future that is not just this weekend, the bigger future.
Dreams, goals, long-term plans.
Yes. David, I will ask you a question and I want a real answer.
Okay, I'm ready.
In 5 years, what is your life going to look like?
Wow. Okay, let me think. In 5 years, I am going to live somewhere quiet, maybe near the sea.
That is beautiful.
I love the idea of waking up and hearing the water. And I am going to work for myself, my own little business.
What kind of business?
I'm not totally sure yet, but something creative, something I enjoy. And I am going to have more time for the people I love.
That is a wonderful answer, David.
What about you? What are you going to do?
I have been thinking about this a lot, actually. I am going to keep learning. I never want to stop learning. New languages, new skills, new things about the world.
I love that.
And I am going to travel more. I want to see places that feel very different from home.
Where is one place you really want to go?
I really want to go to Japan. The culture, the food, the nature. I am going to go one day, I am sure of it.
I believe you. And everyone listening, what about you? What are you going to do?
Your dreams are valid. Your plans are real. And talking about them, even in English, makes them feel more possible.
So let's make it easy. Let's do a quick, friendly recap.
A recap is a short summary. We go through the main points one more time.
Ready? Here we go.
Number 1. Going to. This is for plans. Plans you decided before.
I am going to visit my sister. I decided this before. It's a plan.
I am going to clean my apartment. Already decided. That's going to.
Number 2. Will. This is for decisions you make right now, in this moment.
The phone is ringing. I'll answer it. Decision now.
You look tired. I'll make you some tea. Offer. Decision now.
I promise I will call you. Promise.
Number 3. Present continuous for future, for plans that are very fixed, in the calendar, very sure.
I'm seeing my doctor on Thursday. Fixed, arranged.
I'm flying home next Sunday. The ticket is bought.
And remember the time expressions. Tonight, tomorrow, this weekend, next week, in a few days, soon.
These little words make your meaning so clear.
And one more thing for speaking. In natural conversation, going to often sounds like gonna.
I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna make dinner.
This is for speaking only, with friends in casual conversation.
Please don't write gonna in an email to your teacher.
But when you're talking with friends, it is very normal, very natural.
So don't be scared when you hear it.
Okay, everyone, we are almost at the end. But before we go, we have a little challenge for you.
Yes, we love hearing from you, and this week we want to know.
What are you going to do this weekend?
Write it in the comments. Use the sentence, I am going to.
It could be something big. I am going to go on a trip.
Or something small. I am going to sleep in on Saturday.
I am going to try a new recipe.
I am going to call my best friend.
Anything. We read every single comment, and we love seeing you practice.
You are not alone in learning English. We are all doing it together.
That is what Fluento is all about. Real life, real language, real connection.
You are doing so well. Seriously. Every episode you show up, and that matters.
It really does. Learning a language takes time and courage.
So be proud of yourself. You are doing something amazing.
If this episode helped you, please give it a like and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
And subscribe so you never miss our next conversation. We have so much more coming soon.
We are going to have more episodes, more real-life English, more fun.
See, I used going to because that is a plan.
Yeah, he's learning too, everyone.
Always learning.
Okay, it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you. This was such a warm episode.
It really was. Take care of yourselves, keep practicing, and remember,
English is not scary.
You have got this.
See you next time. Bye.